Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how I created this blue glittery smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here I'm just applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer first all over my eyelid as a base. Now it's time for eyeshadows, and today I'm going to be using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills x Amrezy Eyeshadow palette. I've really been loving this palette lately, as you can tell. I just love that you can create so many different looks with it. So for today's blue look, I'm gonna start with my transition shade. And the shade I'm using is New Yorker, which is a beautiful warm brown eyeshadow. I'm applying this into the outer corners of my eyes and also into the crease. Now for the blue eyeshadow, I'm gonna pick up Leo from the palette and I'm gonna apply it onto my lid. I'm using this double-sided brush from Huda Beauty to apply it, and I really like this sponge side for applying metallic shadows. I think they show up really well. And then I'm switching to the brush side and I'm just gonna carefully blend out the blue a tiny bit into the crease. You want to be really careful here because if you blend the blue and brown together, it's just gonna be a muddy mess. So as you can see, I'm just blending them so that they meet, but not more than that. For the outer corners, I'm gonna use the shade Yugo, which is like a plummy brown shade, and I think it looks really good together with the blue and brown. So I'm just applying it using a pencil brush into the outer corners, and then I'm blending it out with a bigger blending brush. So for my waterline today, I'm gonna use the Inglot AMC Gel Eyeliner in 67, and I'm also gonna smudge it out slightly onto the lower lash line so I can blend it out with the eyeshadows next. So for the inner corners, I'm gonna apply the bright blue shade Leo, and then for the outer corners, I'm applying a little bit of Yugo. I wanted to add some of that warmth from the crease onto the lower lash line, so I also added a little bit of New Yorker to like the edges of the other colors without really touching them, so that they don't turn all muddy and gross. So I'm just going right below that blue and purple. I wasn't going to use black for this look, but I really felt like something was missing, so here I'm just adding a little bit of that black BK eyeshadow right into those outer corners. The last eyeshadow we're gonna use is Barb, and I'm gonna be applying that into the inner corners of my eyes as my highlight, and this one is just so pretty and sparkly. So I actually love this look as it is, but I had these loose glitters from Anastasia that I haven't used yet, so I really wanted to use them and try them. And you can't really see in the video, but I'm using the glitter adhesive to apply the glitter. For liner, I'm first going to use my Nabla serial liner to line my lash line, and then I'm using the black eyeshadow from the palette to make the liner a little bit softer and smokier, and then I'm going to use the ABH liquid liner to do the inner corners. Now to finish off this look, I'm gonna apply my Major Pleasure Mascara from Nabla Cosmetics and the Russian Blue Lashes from Feline Lashes. So for the shakes, I really wanted to try these Skin Glaze powders from Nabla Cosmetics because I got them a little while ago, but I never got around to using them for some reason. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like a highlighter or a blush or a topper, but as you can see, the color do show up and they look very glowy on the skin, so I really like it. For my lips, I wanted to go for something nude but peachy to match the warmth in my crease. So I'm first applying the Nabla lipstick in Magnolia, and then I'm just lining my lips lightly with the attractive lip pencil also from Nabla, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again very soon with a new video. Bye!